Hello, welcome back. So today I brought you outside. I want to show you a project that I have been working on. So I pour painted on my mother's bench. It was in need of some help, so we took it apart, sanded it down, and I did a blue dirty pour over it. I think it came out really nice. See if I can get a close-up on some spots. Oops, there's my shadow. Really does brighten up the deck. And she likes it. She says it's psychedelic. So right there is where my brother put his finger in the paint when it was dry. Wet. He thought it was dry. So we left it in there as his signature. Yeah, that came out really neat. We still have to touch up the arms, but it looks really good. And I want to take a moment and show you the flowers. This is my mom's pride and joy. You can tell right there that divot some animal laid in there. So I just keep plopping another flower pot up in front of it to hide it. Gorgeous. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. Hope this inspires you.